She can find feelings through them. Still, Alethea doesn't want her husband back. She felt freedom when she divorced. But as a storyteller, she's heard too many stories about Jin's wishes always having a catch or cautionary tales that don't end happily. Jin swears he's honorable, but Alethea doesn't listen and wonders if she can make no wishes at all. This causes Jin to swell up in pain, confirming that wishes must be made to avoid bad consequences. And to prove the point further, Jin tells Alethea the story of his second incarceration. Fishermen found a bottle inside a fish, but because it was covered in a hard layer, they thought it was a rock and threw it away. The rock changed hands many times until it ended up as part of the wall, where Gutom found it while trying to climb up to spy on Prince Mustafa. Gutom lived as a slave in the palace's courtyard of the concubines and fainted when she opened the bottle to find Jin. When she woke up, she quickly knew what to wish for. She wanted to be one of Mustafa's concubines. Jin granted her the wish, and Gutom got to enjoy her new life after hiding the bottle under a heavy floor tile in a secret bathroom. While waiting for the other two wishes to come, Jin wandered the place and learned about demons. That's how his attention fell on Herm, who was the Sultan's favorite slave. As a master manipulation, Herm sought to protect the throne in favor of her own sons instead of Mustafa, so she kept lots of eyes spying on the prince. Jin worried Gutom could get caught in some awful political plan and tried to warn him, but she didn't listen and wished to become pregnant with Mustafa's baby. Meanwhile, the Sultan's warriors were worried about their leader becoming too soft